Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CSS in an easy, step-by-step way. We'll begin by understanding CSS's fundamental role in styling web pages. You'll learn to link an external style sheet to your HTML, a crucial first step. Then, we'll explore basic selectors like element, class, and ID, which are essential for targeting specific elements. Finally, you'll experiment with core properties, such as color and font size, to see immediate visual changes. Next, we'll dive into mastering layouts, starting with the essential CSS box model, which includes content, padding, border, and margin. Understanding these four components is key to controlling spacing. We'll then explore display properties such as block, inline, and inline block. After that, you'll learn Flexbox for efficient one-dimensional layouts and discover CSS Grid for robust two-dimensional page structures, giving you precise control over your designs. Now, let's make your designs adaptable with responsive design. We'll implement media queries to ensure your layouts look great on screens of all sizes, from small phones to large desktops. You'll then explore pseudo-classes and pseudo-elements to add dynamic styling based on user interaction or element state. We'll also touch upon transitions and animations for engaging visual effects, and finally, clarify the cascade, specificity, and inheritance rules. To solidify your CSS knowledge, consistent practice is vital. Start by building small, focused projects to apply each new concept you learn. Try recreating the designs of existing websites to challenge your styling abilities and attention to detail. Actively utilize online resources and developer communities for ongoing learning and support. Remember to regularly review and refactor your CSS code. This iterative process is crucial for continuous improvement and developing clean, efficient styles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.